Hello viewers, pop-upping the subject and the colors are very challenging job in Photoshop. But today I'm going to show you how to make it on a very easiest way. So let's get started. The yellow color is the dominant color on this image. Therefore, we will increase the yellow color here. So I'm going to take an adjustment layer of color valence. And from color balance, we can increase the yellow on midtones as well as on the shadow and on the highlights also. Now I'm going to take another adjustment layer of selected color, and here I'm taking the color of yellow and I'm increasing the cyans, increasing the magentas, increasing the yellow also, and from the black part I'm decreasing it. On the green color I'm going to increase the cyans, and magenta also, yellow a bit, and black will be around positive 15. Now I'm going to take another adjustment layer from color lookup, which will be Fuji F125 Kodak 2395. As this color lookup has a very much fade effect, we are going to decrease the opacity of this layer. Now I am going to take the adjustment layer of curves and I am decreasing the shadow part and increasing the highlight part. And from the blue channel I am increasing the shadow part a bit. Now for final color grading, I am merging all the layers by pressing Ctrl Alt Shift and E, and I am making it to smart object. And here I am going to the camera raw filter. From camera raw filter, on basic part I am decreasing the exposure. And decreasing the contrast also, and decreasing the highlights, and increasing the shadows and whites as well. Decreasing highlights more. Increasing the black also. Now from texture we can increase texture and clarity as well. And vibrance and saturation will be as it is. And from curve we can increase the green a bit. Now from detail we can increase the sharpening, and noise reduction will be around 5. And color noise reduction will be around 10. So here is the color mixture. This is the main work of color grading. So from color mixture we are going for saturation, and I am decreasing the saturation of the greens and increasing the saturation of the orange, and red also, increasing aquas, blues. We can decrease the saturation of yellows here. It looks more beautiful. Now from luminance part, we can increase the orange and increase the yellows, increase the greens, aquas, blues also. Now from hue part, we can decrease the aquas and blues, and increase the green, increase the yellow a bit. And I'm decreasing a bit of orange. Now from color grading we can take a bluish type shadows here, and reddish and yellow type highlights here. And from effect we can give a little bit of dignity, and from color calibration we can increase the green primary saturation, and decrease the red primary saturation, and increase the blue primary saturation. Now I think the highlights on the face is too much, therefore I am again going to highlights and going to reduce it more. And reducing the exposure also. Now hit OK. Let's check before and after. This was before and this is after. Isn't it a huge difference than before? This is all about today's tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed it. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting to support me. Thank you very much.